strawberry lavender lemonade. And we got, what is this, strawberry mimosa? And then Kels, what did you get?
I got the mimosa.
The what? The
mimosa.
That's good.
That's like perfect.
That's really good. Okay, we got the habanero pork belly fried rice here. We got some sausage links, their special signature focus bacon. Jackie, what did you get?
The creme brulee pancakes.
Creme brulee pancakes. And Kels, what did you get?
The OMG French toast.
Ooh, look at the steam.
I just have nothing to say.
You guys gotta try this.
I've got to. Oh my god.
The pork belly's right there. Oh my god. I might want to get an extra side of pork belly.
That is so good. It's all good.
10 out of 10. Sausage link.
Take a wedge, yeah.
It has a little bit of a kick to it. Okay, let me just try a little piece of your French toast.
I got a piece of this are good too. Oh. Yeah, I know. That's so good.
It's like so moist and like
it just melts in your mouth. You don't have to chew it.
Oh my god. Creme brulee pancake. Everything hits. Everything hits.
We have a friends and family tour. We have passes waiting for us.
We're at Paramount Studios because our friend works here, so he's gonna give us a tour. So we're gonna take lots of cool pictures. Hopefully, maybe. We're just waiting for him to show up. Ooh, water tower! Da da da! Yeah.
So that's what shows what have after midnight. Taylor Tomlinson's game shows open for us today, so we can go there. Matlock's coming back with Kathy Bates. She's coming back. And then NCIS or the Origins is coming back on 5, 6, 7. From the Coffee Bean and Other Studio store, they close at 4:30, so we can go there first. Or
yeah, let's go there first. Oh, the hats are cute.
I think we should get the matching hats. The kids.
I love toothpick holders. Do they have the doubles? It's the floor for Mean Girls, and it's painted. Yeah. Kill it. Yeah. Come true.
Thank you so much. My Oscar now. Thank you. You already held that.
it's more than Leo.
Whee!
This side was for Lucille Ball. This was Desilu Studios.
This was what?
Desilu Studios. Before it was Paramount Pictures.
Ooh.
So we bought her out in the 60s for $17 million.
Damn.
Yeah. Her dressing room was that famous little awning right there. Next to her was her famous husband, Desi. Do we want to hop off, get closer, or?
Yeah.
Sure, go.
Oh, only murders in the building?
What were we just talking about, miss?
Sorry, no, I was...
My mom loves the
19, 20, 21. If the doors are open, we can take a peek.
Yeah, Ghost has been my recent obsession.
bookish people finally going to the Last Bookstore. Books! Book bundles. UK triangle. I like this one for everyone. Jackie found it. Where did you find it? Why?
I texted you that why is in the back corner.
Oh, I was too busy looking at. They have scripts for Sondheim.
Yeah. First American edition, October of '99.
October '99. First edition and first edition. And if you flip over, first edition. $10. Hiya! We're coming up. Yes! Going upstairs. Oh, these are the boxes of books you were talking about. To Ventura, and we have a special guest. Say hi to Komi. Say hi. Yeah, big tired. Big tired. Snoot.
Unwell.
Snoot. Okay. Say bye to Komi. Bye.